Start your day like a king, the hidden power of your oil pulling. Let me ask you something different today. If your mouth is the gateway to your body, how clean is your gate? We brush our teeth, we rinse, we perfume our mouths with fresheners. But what if I told you there is a daily 5-minute ritual that ancient sages, royalty, and now even doctors recommend to detox your body, sharpen your mind, improve your confidence, and awaken your inner clarity? That ritual is called oil pulling, Gandusha in Ayurveda. Every morning, take a tablespoon of sesame or coconut oil. Depends on your prakriti. Swish it in your mouth for a few minutes and spit it out. Sounds simple, feels strange, but the benefits they are both divine and practical. Let's begin with the spiritual side. Ayurveda believes the mouth holds not only digestion but pranic energy, means life force. When we cleanse this center with oil, we are not just cleaning teeth, we are clearing blockages of speech, expression, and inner truth. Oil pulling is a ritual of silence. You can't speak during it. And that silence, it becomes meditation in motion. It's your first mindfulness practice of the day, even before you open your eyes fully to the world. It calms vata, stabilizes the nervous system, and connects you to your breath and body without effort. Now let's talk material benefits. What every professional will love to hear. First, fresh breath, confident conversations. Second, fewer cavities, means fewer dentist bills. Third, whiter teeth, means better appearance in meetings. Fourth, stronger jaw and gums, clearer speech and facial strength. Fifth, less oral bacteria, means less load on immunity and digestion. Sixth, improved focus, because your body is not fighting hidden inflammations. Research shows that oil pulling reduces harmful bacteria like Streptococcus mutans, a major cause of bad breath and oral diseases. Your body no longer spends energy fighting mycotoxins. That energy comes back to you as focus, stamina, and productivity. In the corporate world, we are always looking for hacks. Oil pulling is not a hack, it's a habit that builds your resilience from the inside out. It teaches you presence, it builds discipline, and it gives you results you can see in the mirror and feel in your meetings. So, tomorrow morning, skip the phone, pick up the oil, switch, breath, reflect. And remember, before you face your clients, team, or challenges, face yourself. Because success begins not with how you speak, but with how clean your energy is behind those words. Oil pulling is not just mouth care, it's self respect at sunrise.